Accounts receivable, or AR, is the money customers owe you for goods or services you've delivered. It's a critical asset on your balance sheet, and managing it is fundamental to your financial health. AR reports in QuickBooks Online are your financial compass, providing a clear picture of your receivables to manage cash flow. They show who owes you, how much, and for how long, giving you the visibility needed for a healthy cash flow. A business can be profitable on paper but fail from a lack of cash, often due to poor receivables management. Effectively using AR reports in QuickBooks Online transforms your collections from reactive to proactive. Instead of waiting until your bank account is low, you can establish a systematic process for monitoring payments. These reports turn sales data into actionable intelligence, empowering you to take control of your cash flow and ensure your business has the capital it needs to grow. Think of your AR reports as a vital health check for your business, revealing potential problems before they become critical. For example, a growing balance in the over 90 days column is a clear warning sign that income is at risk. Regularly reviewing these reports helps you catch issues early and maintain a steady income. To access them in QuickBooks Online, navigate to the Reports tab on the left-hand menu and use the search bar to find the report you need. QuickBooks Online offers several essential accounts receivable reports, including AR aging, open invoices, and customer balance. Once you select a report, you can tailor it to your specific needs. At the top of the screen, use the drop-down menus to change the report period or filter by customer. You can also click the gear icon to add or remove columns like due date or open balance. When you've configured the report perfectly, click Save Customization. Name your report, and you can access this custom view again from the Custom Reports tab, saving valuable time. Sharing and analyzing your AR data is simple. You can export reports as a clean PDF for sharing, or to Excel for deeper analysis and creating custom charts. Among the most crucial reports is the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary. It categorizes outstanding balances into time-based buckets, showing you at a glance where your money is and how late payments are. This helps you prioritize collection efforts on the oldest, most at-risk accounts. For a more granular view, the AR Aging Detail Report breaks this down invoice by invoice, listing each unpaid invoice, its due date, and amount. The Open Invoices report lists all unpaid invoices regardless of their due date. It's perfect for short-term cash flow forecasting. Sorting by due date shows expected collections, helping you manage working capital. For a customer-centric view, the Customer Balance Summary shows who owes you the most, highlighting financial risk and opportunity. The Detail Report provides a complete transaction history, which is invaluable for resolving disputes and performing account reconciliations. The true power of these reports is translating their data into actionable strategies for improving your cash flow. Use Open Invoices and AR Aging reports for a short-term cash forecast. Compare this inflow to upcoming outflows to find your net cash flow and highlight shortfalls. Then use AR reports to prioritize collections. Don't chase every overdue invoice the same way. It's inefficient. Be strategic. Focus on the largest dollar amounts in the oldest buckets for maximum impact. Use AR Insights to improve policies. If many invoices go past due, your invoices may be unclear, terms too generous, or collections too passive. Experiment by shortening payment terms or sending reminders earlier. AR reports also help with customer relationships, revealing which top customers are slow payers. For risky clients, consider tightening credit terms, requiring deposits, or even ceasing business. QuickBooks Online's automation is a game changer for AR. It saves time, reduces errors, and accelerates cash flow. Set up recurring invoices and enable automated payment reminders for consistent, hands-off follow-up. However, pitfalls exist. For late payers, make it easy to pay with online links on every invoice. Also, watch for unapplied payments or duplicate invoices. The fix is diligent reconciliation and a quick review process before sending. These fixes keep your financial records clean and keep customer relationships positive. Proactive management and clear processes prevent small issues from snowballing. To master accounts receivable, embrace consistent best practices. First, Make it a non-negotiable weekly habit to review your AR aging summary report. This 5-minute check-in keeps you aware of your financial position. Second, act immediately on overdue invoices. Don't let them sit. Use the information to send reminders or make phone calls. Third, regularly reconcile your AR balance with the general ledger. Finally, leverage the tools at your disposal. Save your customized report views for quick access. Lean heavily on automation for invoicing and reminders. Integrate these practices to transform AR into a strategic advantage. Now is the time to act. Open QuickBooks Online. Run your AR aging report. Take the first step toward complete control over your cash flow.